Record-breaking rainfall caused flooding in New York City and surrounding areas. The flooding caused damage to homes and businesses, and some people were forced to evacuate their homes. The flooding also disrupted transportation, including subways and flights. The rain is expected to continue, but it is not expected to be as heavy as the previous days. The flooding has caused anger and frustration among New Yorkers. Some people are calling for climate change to be addressed as a cause of the flooding. The flooding is a reminder of the importance of flood preparedness, such as having flood insurance and knowing how to evacuate your home if necessary.